Hello, my name is Dima. Today I would like to tell you about difference between generic and inheritance. I would like to tell you when you have to use inheritance and when you have to use generic. I've created a special example which helps me to explain you when do you have to use generic and when do you have to use inheritance. Let's start. First of all, I've created common class animal. It will be able to use this class to create animals. And there is one common function inside this class. This function is go. It is true for all animals. All animals can go. And it is usual for every animal. And I've created two classes extends from animal. First class is dog and second class is cat. And I've created special functions inside dog class and inside cat class. And I've created one example of every class, one cat and one dogs. And it is possible to create animal array. I've done that and you can see array with two items. First item is cat and second item is dog. Okay, this is a good way to use inheritance. We have common class animal and we've created two classes, cat and dogs, using class animal. And there is a function go inside cat class and inside dog class. That's okay. And I've created third class. This class is person. It is possible to create people using this class. And there is a special function inside this class. This function is say function. And I've created example of person. And there is a special task for me. I have to create clinic for people and create clinic for dogs. And I think it is possible to use a lot of solutions to create that. But today I would like to tell you about 3 solutions. And I think 2 solutions are wrong and 1 solution is true. First solution is using any. I've created special class clinic and I will be able to use this class for creating clinics. And you can see properties name, patients inside clinic. And if we talk about patients, we don't know what kind of patients will be inside the clinic, because if we create animals clinic, we would have animals patients. But if we talk about clinic for people, we would have people patient. And this is constructor which help us to create clinic. And I've created 2 examples of clinic. First example is animals clinic and second example is people clinic. I used clinic class to create this clinics. But I have a mistake in second clinic, because if we see on array of patients, we can see person, cat and string hello world. This is so strange to see that items inside array with people patients, because cat is not person and string hello world is not person too. And I think this way to handle this task is wrong, because we can add a lot of different types inside patients. This is not so good. Let's see second solution. Second solution is using inheritance. I've created class clinic with common property name, because clinics for cats and clinics for dogs have name. This name is string. It's okay for all clinics. But if we talk about array patients, we have to create special type for patients inside animals clinic and special type of patients inside people clinic. And you can see that I've created class animals clinic and I've extended this class from this class. And there is a special property patient with type array of animal. And I've created constructor which help us to create animal clinic object. And if we talk about people clinic, this is the same object except type of patients. Type of patients here, array of person, and we can use this class to create people clinic. And I've created animals clinic and I've created people clinic. And you can see it is impossible to use wrong types. Let's try. You can see error because we have to add inside people clinic only people. If we try to add a dog into this clinic, you can see same error. Let's remove these items. I think this task handled, but I think this is not so good way because we've created special classes for people clinic and for animal clinic, and I've created a lot of programming code to handle this task. This is not so good because, for example, if we would like to create a different type of clinic, we have to create a new class. This is not so good because we change only patients array type, and this is not so good because animals clinic class and people clinic class are same except type of array inside patients. And we have to use third solution. Third solutions to use generic. What is generic? Generic is special solution to create classes. We don't know what kind of type of patients we will add inside patients, but it is possible to add type of patients when we create object of this class. And let's see about using this class. I've created animals clinic and I've created people clinic, and you can see that I add special type inside class when I would like to create object of this class. First example is animal, second example is person, and you can see we add type of patient inside this property. This is here and here, and it is possible to create special class when we decide to create example of this class. And you can see it is a good way because if we try to add wrong type inside this array, we will see error. And you can see we will try to add dog inside people clinic. There is the same situation. This is a good solution for handling this task. I hope you liked this video and you realized what is different between generic and inheritance. And I hope this video will help you to create a good code. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe on this channel. Click on like button and click on bell button because you will find out about new videos on this channel. If you have some questions, you can type your questions inside comments and I will answer your question. Thank you and goodbye.